Well, I got the skid steer on the trailer this morning because we are headed over to Pasco to pick up a new tractor. And this new tractor apparently is stuffed behind this person's house and they want to get rid of it. So we're going to go take a look at it, see if it's worth restoring, and hopefully end up buying it, bringing it home. Here we go. So here she is. It's like a Massey Ferguson 35. They're not sure if it runs or anything yet. It looks pretty complete. It looks like someone tried to Craigslist rebuild it with some spray paint. That's all right. Looks like it's still a 6-volt system. Take a look over here. And it's got your 6-volt generator. Got the carb, everything looks like it's there. The old choke laying down there. No, choke's still there. Oh, that thing's stick. Oh, it's stiff. It moves, but it's stiff. Take a look back here. It's like the rear seal's leaking. It's no big deal. Let's see if she moves. The belt's too loose to try and turn it over right there. Let me grab it with the skid steer. We'll see if the wheels turn over, if we can crank her over with that. Well, that dipstick is not easy to get to at all. There we go. Take a look at it. Looks like Earl. It's full. Doesn't look like it's got water. So I like it. Tin's pretty nice on it. It's a good price. I'm a little worried that the engine seized on it though, and that's why they didn't work on it a little further. So I tried turning it over by hand. Couldn't. Put it in gear, tried rocking it. Couldn't get that fan to turn. So I'm gonna take the skid steer back there, hook a chain to it, see if I can't pull it forward and get that engine to spin over. As long as that engine makes a revolution, I think I'll buy it. But let's get this back there and take a look. So I got it to roll and it turned over, so cool. I'll take it. Good. you on the trailer. All right, let's get the fuck out of here. It's freaking hot. So ended up buying it. We're dragging it home now on the gooseneck, and we'll get her unloaded and take a closer look at it. I think it's going to be a good buy. I got it cheap enough that, man, even if that engine was seized or I couldn't get it running, I think I got enough in parts there even to just make my money back. But I think it's going to be a good one. I think it's going to work out. We'll see you when we're at the house.